The 2026 Ford Maverick Lariat all-wheel drive is here, redefining what a compact truck can do. This hybrid features a 2.5-liter engine and a Power-Split Electric CVT for smooth, efficient performance. Finished in Carbonized Grey Metallic, it comes loaded with a 13.2-inch LCD touchscreen, B&O audio system, and the 4K tow package. Book a test drive today at MSA Ford in the Fraser Valley Auto Mall, right here in Abbotsford. Think you have to sacrifice truck capability for hybrid fuel economy? The 2026 Maverick Lariat proves you can have it all. Whether you are navigating the morning commute through downtown Abbotsford or heading across the Mission Bridge for a weekend adventure, this truck is perfectly sized for life in the Fraser Valley. The interior features a sophisticated smoked truffle trim and is designed for maximum utility. You get a second-row bench flip-up seat with under-seat storage, an 8-inch productivity screen, and ambient lighting to set the mood. On those chilly BC mornings, the heated front seats and heated steering wheel keep you warm, while the dual-zone electronic air conditioning keeps everyone comfortable in the summer. Outside, the Maverick is just as functional, featuring LED headlamps with auto lamp technology, a power tailgate lock, and a pickup box LED lighting for working after dark. The addition of a power moonroof and a power sliding rear window makes every drive more enjoyable. For those hauling gear, the 4K tow package includes a conventional spare tire to keep you moving. A common question drivers have is, what driver assistance and safety technology comes standard on the Lariat trim? Based on the vehicle details, you are protected by adaptive cruise control, pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera for a full view of your surroundings. It also features front and rear park sensors, intelligent access with push-button start, and selectable drive modes to handle various road conditions. Safety is further enhanced by the safety canopy airbag system and a perimeter alarm. MSA Ford, serving the Fraser Valley for 75 years.